How to recover Walmart account. Let's get started. Launch your Walmart app. You will land to the shop page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of account. Now over here you will see the option of sign in or create an account. Click on that option. Now here you will need to type in your email address. Then click on continue. Now I have to choose verification method. Text, email address or enter your password. Select the option of your choice. I'm gonna select the option of email address. Make sure to select the option that you have access with right now and then click on send code. Now you can check your email address or the phone number. You will be receiving the code. I'm gonna check my email address. So you can see that Walmart has sent me the code. So this is the code. You have to copy the code and then type in over here. After you type in the code, click on sign in. And just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily recover your Walmart account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.